Airlines, now part of Delta Airlines, and all of our SkyTeam Alliance partners. Welcome to the Twin Cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul. Correct local time is 6:30. Cellular telephones may now be used. However, please ensure that you turn your cellular telephone off before you leave the aircraft. There is no phone use in the jetway, the hallway, or the customs immigration area, and they do not have a sense of humor. They will confiscate your phone. So be certain that you do turn your telephone off before you leave the aircraft.